Those of you who joined my investing group last year, Bitcoin is up. We started buying again at around $26,000. It is now at this very moment at all-time high. It is retesting again. Whether this is going to be a double top or this time we're going to smash through, let's fingers and toes crossed. If it pops, we could be on our way towards 100,000 very quickly. Silver is up 60% this year. We're back at the highs. Some of the silver miners are over 200% up. And then gold has just made yet another all-time high, is up 40% this year. So we've been in the right place at the right time. And the other thing that's going on at the minute, show you this pound CAD trade, and the balance of my pound CAD trade is now up 225 pips. We are only 27 pips away from a very optimistic target. I initially had the target down here. It's done 105 pips today. The average 30 days is 104. There is the British budget tomorrow. I am going to take the money and run. So on the balance of this trade, I have made 220 pips. I think I made about 80 on the first bit, 130 on the second, and now this on the balance. So two trades, from just purely from a trading point of view, pound CAD and silver, that I bought silver as a trade at 30.24. That is now, between the two of them, I have made a month's target in two trades. This is the following morning. I got out at this trade last night at 81.02, and it went an extra 10 pips and is now dropping. So that looks as though that was a good decision. AUD CAD that I took yesterday, I showed you in the live training session, multiple reasons, again, 5 reasons for the trade. I did have the stop down here, I think it was. I have now moved it to entry, as this trade is now 40 pips in profit. I will probably take half here because I suspect it will struggle at the 55, but then just like I did with that pound CAD where I got 220 pips on the balance, I will let the balance run. New Zealand yen, I caught this on Monday to the pip almost. Yesterday missed the flipping thing. I caught it again this morning. And again, I showed you this in the live training session. This is a 40 pip stop. Now, it only just hits the mark for twice the risk here. But what I'm thinking is eventually this thing's going to pop, hopefully. And so I am going to move my stop to entry. I am not going to take any profit from this. I'm just going to leave it and see if we can catch a big one. Final things, Bitcoin, I showed you last night, Bitcoin was coming up to a double top, all-time highs. It has pulled back a little. Hopefully it will push through this time. Gold, we've been in gold since last year. We're up 40% on gold this year, made yet another new high yesterday. Silver almost came back up to this year's recent high as well, as that's up 60% this year. So lots of trades. I showed you in the live training session yesterday the whys and why I've taken them. And hopefully you can see now a positive way to be able to trade for a living. Catch you later.